24 different black color nail art sticker sheets. These are adhesive sticker sheets. When you try to use one design, carefully peel off the design from the sheet, and put on nails, then apply top polish. 24 different designs mix, each design one sheet. DIY your nails with different designs. Also can use for toe DIY. When you try to peel off the single sticker from the whole sheet, curve the whole sheet around the sticker you want to pick, and use tweezer or finger to start peel off the edge of the sticker carefully. Top reviews from the United States. Great value, love the style. I wanted to get something kinda bohemian funky that was easy to apply, cheap and looked good for my fall money. These worked great. I've only done one hand so far but already love them. I bought a gel light on here and some polish to start, and with these as an addition I feel like I've achieved a almost salon quality mani. Excited to see how these work under a matte top coat.